Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another chaotic vlog. I am currently in the midst of packing for Tennessee because I'm leaving tonight, and I thought I would take you guys along with me. I'm hoping for it to be a fun yet relaxing like mini vacation. So I am bringing some books, but not a whole lot, because who knows if I'll actually get reading done, but we will see. So I gotta finish packing and do a couple other things, and then we'll get on the road. Okay guys, so I'm getting close to ready to being fully packed and leaving. So I've decided that I'm going to bring the fine print, which I'm actually buddy reading with Katie. We are almost done with it. So I'm going to bring that to finish. I'm also going to bring my iPad, which has plenty of books loaded on it. I'm also going to bring the Apothecary Diaries Volume 1 and Cheeky Brat Volume 1. I may pick another manga or novel, but I'm not 100% sure because, like I said, I don't know how much reading I'm going to get done, and I don't want to overpack. So, we shall see, but I'll let you know. Hey guys, so we made it to the hotel. We got in late last night, so I didn't record, but we're now heading to breakfast. We're walking down. We're going to a pancake house. I'm with my fiance, my mom, and my dad. So yeah, I'll show y'all more later. Hey guys, so I didn't get much footage of breakfast and walking, but we went to a pancake house and it was really good. I think it was called like the Log Cabin, and I had eggs, ham, and pancakes. Really good. I thought I would show you the balcony and the overlook of the hotel we're staying in. So we've got this little like creek river thing. It's really peaceful out here. There's a little walkway, and then here is the patio, nice and big. I mean, it's nothing spectacular, but I thought it might be nice to read some. So our plan so far is tomorrow we're going to go to a really cool pirate show that they have. It's like a feast and a pirate show. That's gonna be tomorrow night. Saturday we are going to some like music thing. I'm not sure what that's all about yet, but and then I think we're gonna do some kind of nature trail thing tomorrow morning, possibly. And we're probably gonna do some shopping today. I'm not really sure. We're just kind of going with the flow. We don't really want to like get too much on our plate because we do want to have a chance to relax. So far I haven't read anything, big surprise, but if we come back and relax some, I might try and pull out the fine print and read that, or maybe pull a manga out. So yeah, I know one thing is with the pirate show, I don't think I'm gonna be able to record it all because they don't allow that. But I should be able to record like the nature stuff and any of like the music stuff or walking or whatever. So yeah, so far so good. So I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. fiance wanted to see this place called Cooters. It's dedicated to the Dukes of Hazzard. He's really interested in old stuff.
So fucking cool, baby.
You having fun?
Yeah.
So we are at the island in Pigeon Forge, and we just went to a really cool store called Kryptonite Characters. It was a really nerdy store. So yeah, right now we're going to go to a distillery and check some stuff out. So I'll check back in with y'all later. So this is one of my favorite things about going to the island in Pigeon Forge. This fountain is just so relaxing to sit by, and it plays to a song like every 15 to 20 minutes, and it's just so peaceful, so beautiful. I have to sit there and watch it. Hey guys, so it is Friday, and we are actually in a really cool nature spot. It's called Caves Cove. It took a while to get here. I was gonna listen to an audiobook, but I forgot to download one, and there's no signal up here, so I have not read anything on this trip yet, which I'm not surprised, but maybe I'll get a chance to. I'm gonna show you guys some of the scenery around here. It's pretty nice. I'll probably have some B-roll on it. There's also some historic things around here. So yeah, I'll take y'all along.
Oh, hello.
So since I couldn't record, I did take a couple of pictures. The show was so fun, so good, and the feast was fantastic. Hey y'all. So it is Saturday, and I actually have some fun bookish updates for you guys. Last night though, we went to the pirate show, and it was really fun. You weren't allowed to record, so that's why I don't have any video of it. I may insert some pictures here, but we are actually gonna go find a Books A Million, which I am really excited because there is not one very close where we live. So that's gonna be fun. We might go to another outlet. And I also did read about 1.5 chapters of the fine print, and I am really liking it where it's at right now. I didn't make it very far because I was very tired, so I kind of fell asleep. But yeah, we're gonna go on a little adventure. So I'll talk to y'all later. found Manly Appetites Volume 1. And then in the bargain section, I found Love Boat Taipei, which I'm really excited about because I was gonna get this book at full price, but bargain price. And I'm in the bargain section right now, and I'm seeing some really good things, so I'm gonna probably pick up some more. Hey guys, so I'm here to close out this vlog. It has actually been almost 2 weeks since I've been back from Tennessee. That's because I got home and immediately got sick. I was pretty much out for the count for like 4 days straight. I don't know what it was. It was not the vid. So that's good. I felt like utter garbage. But I'm still battling from it. I no longer sound too stuffy, but I have like a lot of congestion. Sorry, my cat, if you hear that, that's my cat, Connor. He's crazy. He's got the zoomies right now. So I was like, I need to close out the vlog. And then this week I have been strapped with meetings at work, coming home late, feeling like, just like, I'm done, I'm tired, I'm not gonna vlog. And you guys, my cat is not right. So I just wanted to let you know, I did find some good deals at Books A Million. I think I'm gonna save those and do a haul video because I have had quite a few books come in that I can share with you. So they've been kind of sporadic, so I thought I would just kind of hold off and do them all, hold them so I can do them in one video. So I'm gonna do that. But other than that, we had a great time. My poor fiance actually got sick at the end of the trip, so I think that's where I got mine from. But we're both feeling better, which is great. Yeah, I think he wants to go back, so hopefully we can do that again. But yeah, it was really fun. I hope that I can get this vlog up for you soon, because I know that I have not posted in a while, but I am going to try my daggone best to change that. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to close out this vlog. So if you enjoyed this vlog, give me a peace sign or a heart or like a winky face. I don't know why I did that. Anyway, so just remember, y'all, stay strong and read on. Bye.